Across the world of Welsh politics, all eyes are firmly on one small South Wales town, Caerphilly. Of course, there's a full Senedd election coming up next year, but for now, Caerphilly has their own by-election coming up next week, looking to elect a Senedd member for the last time before the big one in May. After the sudden death of Hefin David in the summer, a replacement was needed, and parties across Wales are looking to make a mark in Caerphilly. By-elections, though relatively small in the grand scheme of things, can be a big sign of what's to come in an election, and political parties will do what they can to gain some publicity and traction. This is clear from the presence of party leaders and notable politicians popping up across the constituency, with Plaid Cymru's leader Thrin ap Iorwerth, Welsh Labour leader and First Minister Senedd Morgan, and Reform's Nigel Farage, with more all showing up from a constituency that in a normal election might never see this level of attention. Since the seat was created at the beginning of the Senedd in 1999, it's been dominated by Labour, who have won every Senedd election in the constituency, some by some fairly sizable majorities. Plaid Cymru have traditionally been the second party, but it looks to be a different story this time around. Plaid are very much still running for the win, but if recent opinion polls are anything to go by, then Labour will struggle to get close to keeping their seat, with a massive uptick in Reform voting. It looks like a two-horse race between the two parties most confident going into the Senedd elections next year, Plaid Cymru and Reform UK. This by-election will be a bellwether for 2026, but 6 months is a very long time in politics. There's a full campaign, debates, and door-knocking to be done. But for now, it's all eyes on Caerphilly. Jane Peach Watkins, reporting for Local TV.